Mr. Whitelick, and today we're going to talk about critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making using the engineering design process. The first question to consider is, what is the engineering design process? Basically, you have a problem. You want to be happy, so you need to find the best solution. But the question is, how do we do this? Well, engineers have come up with what's called the engineering design process. And it's a set of steps to help us find the solution to a problem. The first step in this process is define what the problem actually is and set a clear goal. Next, you want to research the problem and brainstorm possible solutions. Then, you choose your best solution and build a model or prototype. Next, you'll test your solution, communicate the results, and redesign as necessary. Let's look at an actual example of this. In 7th grade, you are required to design and build a balsa wood dragster. The first thing that you need to do is identify the different constraints or limits and criteria. An example problem statement might look something like this. I need to design and build a balsa wood dragster that looks good and goes fast, using only the materials provided. The next step would be to research the problem. Figure out how the cars work, what looks good, how real dragsters work, what aerodynamics is, how Newton's laws apply, any information that you can find to come up with the best design. Then, brainstorm possible solutions, create some thumbnail sketches, and choose your best solution. The best solution is then transformed into a model or a prototype. The prototype is tested, and the results are recorded. The next step is to communicate those results so that you have data to compare any future designs to. Remember, the design process is a cyclical and dynamic process, meaning that engineers can repeat the steps as many times as needed, making improvements all along the way. Well, that pretty much covers the engineering design process. Remember, we will be using this process throughout the semester, so if you need to come back and take a look at this video, feel free to. Thank you.